Warm a dropper full of cleansing oil between your palms and deeply inhale the grounding oil blend, noticing how it makes you feel, maybe even shifting your mood and mindset. Begin to mindfully massage the oil onto your skin, gently tracing fingertips over any tension, noticing texture or congestion, just taking note and tuning in. Pausing to give more time and intention to areas that need a little nudge or have felt neglected, offering deeper care and compassion to your complexion, all while washing away build-up, makeup, and mindsets that no longer serve you. Cocoon your skin in a warm, wet washcloth, melting away stress, stagnant emotions, and burdens you were never intended to carry. Take another deep inhale and extended exhale. What do you notice? How do you feel? Stay here as long as you'd like, simply being and breathing here and now, because that, dear friend, is enough.